Greetings, Your Majesty.
Where is your daughter?
Your Majesty.
Are you crazy? Where is your daughter?
Mama, I tell you this. Greetings, my queen.
Homebreaker. Huh? Chike contracted you to destabilize my home and cause my son to lose his position in the palace, right?
No, my queen.
Shut up! Both of you played it, but I'm wiser than both of you. Will you shut up? And for you.
Yes, my queen.
I want you to go back to the palace and tell the king that whatever that speaks to you has instructed you to tell him that my son Sebastian should be declared the heir to the throne.
My queen!
Shut up! Failure to do so shall fuel my wrath.
What kind of temptation is this one? Ay.
The voice. Something bad is about to happen.
Listen, you will never put me into trouble. Enano, you will never put me into trouble. I will not agree.
But Mama!
Shut up. Oged, let us go inside. Uba, inside.
But Mother!
My king.
Yes.
All plans are set for the presentation.
I see.
Imobi and the chief priest are all ready for the presentation.
At last. No.
My king.
Oh no.
My king.
Thank you very much. You have been a great confidant. May the gods continue to guide, bless and protect you on all sides of life.
And also bless this royal house.
Thank you.
Your Majesty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I am honored. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Finally, Oledo will now find rest. Bakam Mwabuogo Nyedrada Gago.
Prince Sebastian, we are letting you go.
Why?
Orders from above.
Above where?
They say we don't have enough strong evidence to nail you, so needless of detaining you the more.
I've been thinking all night.
Thank you.
So you can go.
One day, I've been thinking all day long.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Come!
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Good afternoon. Okay, right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
It's been a while. How are you doing?
I am fine, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. I guess you're here to see me, right?
Yes, Your Majesty. No, yes, no, yes, no. I was actually passing by, so I thought it wise to come and greet Your Majesty.
Oh, really? That is so thoughtful of you. I honestly want to thank you for the other day. May the gods of our land continue to guide and protect you. They will bless you all the days of your life. And so shall it be.
Thank
you.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Please, Your Majesty, I will take my leave now.
It's okay.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
All right. Yes.
What is it? What is it? Please, I beg you. Can't you see I'm in the palace? What is it?
Chike is in danger.
Yes, Your Majesty. Chike is in danger.
What kind of trouble? What happened? What? Talk to me. What happened to Chike? Oh, it's not connecting. Where could this boy be? No. This is not happening. Not again!
Your Majesty. What is it? What's the matter?
Excuse me. Where's Chike now? His phone is always on. Oh, Chike. This is...
Chike.
Yes. His number is not connecting. Where could he be?
What?
I don't know. I don't know.
Do not turn your back.
Okay.
Please do not turn away from me. No, yes, I want to come to bed again anymore. Many days and many nights I cry.
Who are you? Who am I? Eh? What do you people want from me? What do you want from me? What?
No busy. I just want to voice my heart to you. Do not turn your back. Please do not turn away from me. No busy. I want to come to bed again and
Mom, Prince Sebastian is back.
My son is back?
Yes, Mom. He's
Where
right
is he?
inside. Are you
I don't understand this. I've been asking why I'm here. What is the meaning of this? I have asked before what I'm doing here. Nobody is talking to me. Eh? You guys are just perambulating like someone who is looking for a girl to carry. What is the problem? Talk to me.
Shut up. So, you don't know reason why you're here? Soon, this will land on your head and you will know exactly why you are here. Iga Hunshia. Nochi, one Pamo, and then I will be with you.
Your Majesty, we need to begin.
Chike is not here, and I am worried about him. I should have listened to the seer.
The seer?
She warned me that Chike was in danger, and now he is nowhere to be found.
This is serious. My king, are you saying that the crown prince is not in this palace?
He has not returned. However, I have informed the police about it already.
My king, continued delay of the presentation may bring anarchy to this kingdom. We need to do something. We still have a chance. The chance is Sebastian. My king, I suggest we crown Sebastian heir.
What exactly are you insinuating? Have you forgotten so soon the message from the seer? That making Chike the heir to the throne will break the curse upon the life of Sebastian. My problem right now is he is nowhere to be found. We must find him.
I know that, Your Majesty, but now the time compels us to do something.
The time already stopped. Until we find my son, there will be no presentation.
Your Majesty, if we fail to do the presentation, the crown will go to another family.
Onye na-adụnyere ori na-eji ọkpa agbawa ọnụ. Okunye nwata. Onwunye nwata nkakwu. Ekunye mmiri oge jikwa aka. Egwuberibe. 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 Onye nne ya dunyere ori na-eji ọkpa agbawa ọnụ. Onwunye nwata nkakwu na-ekunye mmiri ọ ga-ejekwa aka. Egwuberibe. 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 Egwuberibe.
No busy. I just want to voice my heart to you. Do not turn your back.
If only I can turn the hands of time, I will do things quite different from what is going on now. Stop the procession right away.
You come. Wait, move where? This way.
Where is the king?
I didn't see the king.
My friend, go and look for him.
I didn't see the king.
Where is the king?
Leonard, don't see the king.
Are you people serious? Then what are you doing here? Demon, my king, my glory, you will live forever. Oh, Dimo Busama, my pride. You know what I want now? I want us to go upstairs. Is everything all right? On a day like this, on a beautiful day like this, my king wait for your wife. Eh? Ah, the love of my life, my wonderful king. Oh, you feel? Yes. Are you okay? I asked you where my husband was. You said you didn't know. Now you want to follow him. So go away. Give him up. Hi, my darling husband.
What you want. You're not saying anything. I'm tired. I'm losing it. I've asked you people to name your price. You're not saying anything. You refused. I have also offered to give you something, but you refused to talk to me. Eh? Why are you doing this to me now? Why? It's not obvious that I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm weak already.
Why did you kill my brother?
It is one of your duties, responsibilities to make sure that security men take over the procession. Why was it not so?
Your Majesty, that is exactly why I'm here, and I'm worried. Immediately I leave here, I will meet with the chairman and know what really happened. Please.
How will you say that I killed your brother? Listen, I and your brother have no business. We had no business together. I barely know your brother. So, who told you this?
Don't you dare lie to me. Tell me, what happened at the lounge?
I was not even there when the whole thing happened. I wasn't there when your brother died. I have no hand in your brother's death. Eh? Please tell me who told you this. Who told you? Because I don't understand.
You want to know who told me?
Yes. I am shocked at these revelations.
Don't you care to know who killed your brother?
Your brother Sebastian did.
No. No, darling. You're very wrong. If you must know, my brother Sebastian is back home. He has been certified free by the Nigerian police. So what does that mean? It means he's innocent. Again, have you thought about my stepbrother Chike? Why is it that in all of this, he has never been a victim? He always comes out alive. Remember, Chike has always hated Kingsley. And you know Chike has insatiable quest for the throne. Chike killed Kingsley. Yes.
And you believed her? Eh? You believed her? You believed Ujuma? Listen to me. These people they are just interested in my father's throne, nothing else.
If you said you did not kill Kingsley, thereafter accusing Princess Ujuma of lying, how then were you the only one that survived? Tell me!
Listen, these people are just interested in my father's throne.
Shut up! You planned all this, Prince Chike. You planned it! The day we visited, you never showed the welcome wagon. I put it to you, Prince Chike. You planned all this! You killed my brother!
I did not kill.
And today, what will be the end of you?
No, don't do this, Ujuma. Listen, okay, if you feel or if you think I killed your brother, why don't you just go to the police, lodge your claims, don't take laws into your hands. I did not kill your brother, please.
No law is above me, for I am the law.
Freeze!
How could you? How could you plan to kill your own blood brother? Answer me!
Dad, I'm sorry.
You're sorry?
It was not intentional.
But you did! You instigated Ifnaya to kill your own blood brother. That was what you did. And do you really think killing him will give you some kind of satisfaction? You and your mother? Is that what you think?
Your Majesty, please. Leave her alone. Let her be. She's only fighting for her brother.
Shut up. Shut up and don't even say a word. Now listen to me. Since you stepped your feet into this family, it has never been the same. Because of you, Oledo is dead. But I assure you that you will not go scot-free this time. Officers, take them away. Take them away!
Your Majesty, can you come with us?
Come with you, where?
Daddy, who? Me?
Both of them!
Daddy.
Move her.
Move who?
Don't force her not even say a word.
Move her. Move it.
Ambassador.
Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Ifunanya, how could you? Why do you want to soil your hands with blood? Ifunanya? Why?
Father, I'm sorry.
It wasn't my intention. It's the devil.
Oh, the devil. We all blame the devil.
Yes, I knew you would blame the devil. You only allowed this girl to manipulate you, isn't it? After I told you that vengeance is for the Lord, you still went ahead with your devil.
Your Highness, I'm sorry for all the inconvenience.
That's okay.
Please allow me to take her away and discipline her my own way.
It's okay, Ambassador. That's okay. Now move it. Move it!
I'm sorry.
I said move it right now! Birds of a feather.
Well, you better go away.
Majesty, don't make me force you. Move it!
Force me to
Move her!
again.
Take her away! Move it! Officers, you're watching that! Move her! Take her away from here!
Daddy, don't allow them to take me away now. No, I thought that they
Move her! Move it! Move her!
Everyone everyone yeah. Hey mama. Hey mama. Hey mama. Hey mama. I've been thinking all night long. If you want me, I've been thinking all day long. If you want me,
I am thirsty.
Shut up! Who do you think you are?
I'm tired. Just kill me. Kill me, please. I'm tired. Who are you? Who are you, please?
If I hear him, your skull will roll.
Please. I'm thirsty, please. I'm thirsty.
You are thirsty.
I'm tired.
You want to test this?
Oh!
So keep quiet.
This is to tell you that what goes around comes around. You said you wanted to talk to me. Here I am and you've not said anything.
I want to end things with you.
What? Excuse you, I didn't hear you clearly.
You heard me.
What do you mean you want to end things with me?
Listen, as the heir to the throne of my father, it is my father's responsibility to choose a wife for me.
What? Your father's responsibility to choose a wife for you, you said? Sebastian, you didn't tell me you're a daddy's boy. Oh. You think I don't know? You think I don't know this is a ploy you want to use in shoving me off so you can marry that Cinderella whore you've been thinking of all your life? I'm so sorry to disappoint you. But you just ruined our 4th anniversary. You won't get away with this. Fool. Karma is here to serve you punishment.
Baby, no. I thought you of all people would understand my position.
Understand what exactly? Understand what exactly? The only thing I understand is your selfish ambition to get rid of me and get married to that Cinderella girl you call Ifunanyobi.
That is not true.
Oh, that is not true. I am lying then. But don't worry. We'll see how truthful this can be.
Hey, please, I'm begging you, do not do this to me, please. Remember all we have shared together in the past. Remember the good times. Remember all the celebrations, the anniversaries, the proposal.
Shut up! You remember all this? And your father chose a wife for you and you adhered to it! How could you?
Please. I promise to make it up to you now, here, right now. Anything you want, in fact. Will you marry me? I will marry you now, please. I'm serious.
You are a fool. That's who you are. Get done with that.
Please don't do this to me. Please don't. I'm begging you, please.
Yes, who is this?
This is Detective Tim from CID headquarters.
What do you want?
I know that Prince Sebastian is under your custody, and I want you to step down.
And who are you to tell me what to do?
Linda, I know that you're hot, and you want revenge. But hurting him will only put you in trouble, serious trouble.
Do you have any idea what this fool has done to me? I am hot right now, and it's all because of him. But he betrayed my trust for him.
Linda, you are holding the prince of a kingdom. Whatever your complaint or grievances you have, bring it to the police, we'll handle it. But if you lay a finger on him, I promise you, you will rot in jail. You will rot in jail, is a promise. Hello? Hello? Osa, move it.
Officer! I'm here, come, please help me. Yes, I'm here. Officer, I'm here, please come help me.
Go, move it, go.
Help me. Go. Please. Thank you.
Over. We are still on the... Yes, we are there.
Thank you.
Go. Cover him up. You move, we are with you. Cover him up.
I've been thinking all night long. If you want me, keep one day. I've been thinking all day long. If you want me, keep one day. Fatima Ranogiro, everything will surely show. Fatima Ranogiro, everything will surely show. Everyone there, one Everyone let you put one.
Ide, iyam. 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 Ide, iyam. 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 Ide, iyam. 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 Ide, iyam. 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 Ide, iyam. 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 Ide, iyam. 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 Ide, iyam. 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 Ide, iyam.
Oledo, no amount of words can turn back the hands of time, even though I desire it to be so. It is my prayer that your soul find lasting peace. Oledo, you are the one that my heart truly desires. Or be that as it may, you are no more with me. You always smile, even in the face of adversity. But I've come to tell you that your son Chike has gotten his rightful place as the heir to the throne, and he promises to be a good king. Oledo, I pray this day that you find peace wherever you are, the peace that has eluded you in the time past. That is my prayer this day, and so shall it be.
No way can no Prince Chike no ana be kene Chineke no bosi nketa obi dị m ụtọ rinne onye mere ka ọnụ bata n'ime ngwula anyị n'ụbọchị nketa ebia ịchọ aka nwanne nwanne nwoke na marriage bele m n'isi unu bụ na Chineke ga-agọzi unu ọpụpụ unu na mbata unu ga-abụ ngọzi unu ga-amụta ozuzo oke mụta ozuzo none.
I am happy that you accepted me in your family. And I just want to promise that your niece, who I am about to take as my wife, she will never have any reason to complain. Thank you very much.
Okogo.
No.
Ekenenge. No. Ekenenge of the royal household. I indeed grateful to you people for accepting us. Huh? Chike. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes,
No busy. I just want to voice my heart.